Hello techies, this is Miguelina Betty, aka Catwoman from Valor. And for today's video, I'm going to tell you everything that you need to know about the Treblab J1 Bluetooth earphones. For full disclosure, Treblab sent the J1s out to Valor in exchange for my honest opinion with y'all. I've used them for a little over 2 weeks and I'm ready to give you the 411. Funny story. When Treblab said I could choose any device to review, Mr. Catwoman asked me, why you not choose the most expensive ones? But I don't care about price, I care about quality. And these checked off almost all of the boxes that mattered to me. I need a Bluetooth that can last longer than 8 hours, doesn't lose connection when I leave a room, and the sound quality needs to be clear. So, enough with the jibber jabber, let's get into the good stuff. What it comes with. Pull the decorative sleeve from the cardboard box. Open the box by lifting up the latch. The first thing I'll pull out is the micro USB cable. I have a lot of these laying around, so I'm not going to take them out of the plastic. Underneath the carrying case, you'll find the manual, a sticker, and a warranty card. There was another Treblab sticker in the warranty card. They give you 10% off your next purchase when you register your device, so definitely take advantage of that. Unzipping the hard shell carrying case was actually pretty satisfying. Inside you'll find the Treblab J1s, ear fins, expandable foam ear tips, and silicone tips. All the pieces come in small, medium, and large. Exchange them and find out what's best for you. That thing in the middle though, I don't know what it's for. It wasn't listed in the manual. I guess in the comments, tell me what you think it is, because your guess is as good as mine. My ears actually didn't like any of the ear fins. The only thing that they liked was the small expandable ear foam tips. That's the only thing that did the trick for me. The silver Treblab logos on the earphones are magnetized, so when you're not using them, you can clasp them together and then tuck them away. Connectivity. Okay, you guys, so I'm sorry to be breaking the production fourth wall here, but while we are going to test out the connectivity of the Bluetooth. So I have it on right now. And I can show you guys that I have it connected. See? Treblab. And so I'm going to play this video. And so I'm just going to leave my phone right here. I'm going to walk around. All right, so I'm leaving my office. Here's the door. All right, so my phone's over there. Close the door. And I can still hear music. I don't know if you guys can hear that. So, I still have Bluetooth connectivity past the door, okay? So now, I'm gonna be walking. I still have Bluetooth connectivity. I can listen to the music. So now I'm gonna go down my stairs. All right, so here's the entrance. And it kind of like is going in and out a little bit. So here's like, you can see my stairs. I'm right here in the living room. And the connectivity stops right here. So I think that's pretty good. That's about 30 feet. And yes, there's like the ceiling that is in between us, but like right here, the stairs, the Bluetooth connectivity is fine. So I like these because I can do chores and stuff while I listen to my podcasts and my movies and whatnot. And yeah, so
coming back over to my office onto a regularly scheduled program.
How to set it up. Hold down the play pause button until it enters pairing mode. Then go to your device and turn on Bluetooth. Tap on Treblab J1. You can only connect to one device at a time. I was actually really bummed about that, but at least when it connects to a phone, the connection is solid. Also, make sure it is added as a trusted device so that you can control your phone while it is locked. You can control the volume of your media by tapping the plus and minus button. To skip forward to the next track, just hold down the plus button for a few seconds. You can also go to the previous track by holding down the minus button. I noticed that you can't go forwards or backwards with the track when the screen is locked. You're only able to pause and play. How do they fit? First of all, I love that they are a flat cable design. They have not tangled in the 2 weeks I've been using them. And even though I don't use the ear fins, the expandable foam is secure enough that they won't fall out of my ears. The seal is so good that it creates a noise canceling effect. I mostly only use one earbud at a time so that I'm aware of my surroundings. But when I want to engulf myself into what I'm listening to, then I put both of them on. The sound quality is superb. I actually keep the volume no more than 25% because it is that loud. I mostly listen to podcasts and live streams, and I can catch what everyone is saying with ease. I also have long conversations and people are able to hear me with no problem. That is, until the mic moves to an awkward position. I wish that they came with clips that I could attach to my shirt. The earbud that is not in use tends to roll down the front of my shirt and then pulls on the other one. And I do use them a lot. I even go to sleep with them. I know that the box says it can go up to 9 hours and the website says 8 hours, but I've actually been getting an average of 10 hours before needing to charge. With only needing 2 hours to get a full charge, I'm back in the full swing, and I honestly don't go anywhere without it. Final thoughts. I'm really impressed with the J1s by Treblab. They are my go-to Bluetooth earbuds in my life right now, and I'm really happy with them. I would highly recommend the J1s, and I'm going to buy some for my peeps. I do also want to take the time to expand on an improvement I didn't know where to fit in this review. I wish that the voice prompt would tell me when a conversation has ended. It's actually kind of awkward when I realize I've been talking to myself for a while. Anyways, I hope my experience has helped you with your purchase decision. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments and I'll make sure to respond.